Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today for Tasty Tuesday I'm making split pea soup. It's a really easy recipe to make, and if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a quarter cup of olive oil, a large onion diced, 1 to 2 cups of carrots sliced thin or diced, 1 cup of celery diced, 2 cups of potatoes diced, 2 small garlic cloves minced. You want to try and chop these up so that they're all basically the same size. Okay, you need 8 cups total of chicken broth and water. You can use all chicken broth if you want. I had one of these 32-ounce containers. So I'm just going to mix this with the water to total about 8 cups. You need ham chunks. If you don't have ham, this works. These are just Sugardale ham chunks that I keep around for my salads. You need a package of dried split peas. You want to sort these, make sure there's no stones in there, and rinse them. You need a bay leaf or 2, depending on how much you like it, and salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to sort these and rinse them, and set them aside, and get started chopping everything, and we'll get started. Okay, I've got the olive oil heating up over a medium flame. And I'm going to add the onions. And there's a whole onion. And I did 2 cups of carrots just because I love the taste of cooked carrots. One cup of the celery. 2 cups of diced potatoes. And I'm going to let this cook, stirring quite a bit, until the onions have started to become translucent. And it's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes. Just want to make sure that you're stirring it and you don't let it burn. And we'll be back. Okay, this actually took about 10 minutes to get the onions to become translucent. So now that they've been cooking for the 10 minutes, I'm going to add the garlic. And I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in here. And I'm going to let it cook for another minute. Okay, it's been cooking for another minute, and that garlic is all stirred up in there. And now I'm going to add the rinsed split peas. It's always so much easier to just get your hands in there. And I've got 32 ounces of the chicken stock. I'm going to dump all of that in there. And 4 cups of water. And I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. And once it reaches a boil, then I'm going to reduce the heat, and I'm going to be simmering this for an hour to an hour and a half. This is all going to depend on how you like it and how long it seems to take to cook. So we'll be back in about an hour. Okay, this has been cooking for about 50 minutes. So I'm going to let it go for about 15 more minutes, but before I do, I'm going to add the ham and get that heated all the way through. And that was just a cup of ham. You put in as much as you like. And I'm going to take out the bay leaf. And at the end of the 15 minutes, it'll be ready to serve. I don't like my split pea soup to be too thick, and as it sits, it's going to get thicker anyway. And it may need more water to thin it down, but right now this is the consistency that I like. So an hour was perfect. And we'll be back when it's done. Okay, all done. Time to give it a little taste. And this is hot. This is the time where you want to taste it and see if it needs any more salt. Of course, with me, I always need salt. Oh, that was really good. A little too much garlic this time. I think I should have used smaller cloves, but it's still very good. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.